Hey everyone, thank you for joining me here today at MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. Today I have a 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 with a 350 cubic inch motor. Wait till you see the engine compartment. 4-speed manual trans, T-tops, buckets, console, gauges, 4-wheel Willwood power disc brakes, along with power steering and air conditioning. I can go on and on and on. The body on the car is very, very straight. The car has just been restored. See that little chip right there on the bottom spoiler? I did that. Yes, I did that, and I'm going to get that repaired. So before I deliver the vehicle, just want to point that negative out there, and I will fix it. That's my bad there. But anyway, gorgeous stands on the Camaro. Like I said, it is restored. It does have the traction bars in the back, as you can see. I did talk about the 4-wheel power disc brakes, and yes, you got the infamous, or should I say famous, famous, either way, chrome Kreger wheels, dual exhaust on the car. Back window, as you can see, does have a slight tint to it. And guys, there are no defects in this paint. I'm walking around this car. The only part is, like I mentioned, down here, which is my fault. I'm gonna fix that. And then on the bottom chin there, I will take care of that. Wait till you check out this engine compartment. Beautiful body, beautiful paint. Let's check out under the hood. Check this out, guys. 350 small block crate motor, from what I was told. Aluminum heads. It's got 2.02 stainless steel valves, Eagle crank, I-beam rods, ARP bolts, Trw Forged pistons, Bulletproof bell housing on the trans, Moser rear end, 355 gear ratio, Magnaflow dual exhaust, all stainless underneath, MSD fuel injection system is there, along with the MSD setup on the ignition. Autometer gauges on the inside, vintage air conditioning, aluminum radiator, Willwood setup. Guys, A-arms have been redone with all the bushings throughout the subframe on the vehicle. And look how nicely it's been done. Beautiful, gorgeous black interior. Door lips are excellent. Door panels are excellent. As you can see, power windows there on the door panel. Your 5-inch speaker. You got the inner, look at that. Inner jams are really nice. Bucket seat, car center console, Hurst 4-speed. Look at those door jams. Look how beautiful they are. Beautiful T-tops with the bags in the trunk. There's your Hurst setup on the 4-speed. Your power windows there, your center glove box, and you got autometer gauges throughout. 1,463 miles since the restoration. All your controls there, Z28. Floor mats, excellent, nice interior. Nice big sub in the back there with 2 6x9s. Nice clear glass throughout the car. We're gonna make sure that the turn signals are working, headlights are working, brake lights, wipers, radio's working, make sure heater works, air conditioning. I'll make sure the horn works. We will check tire pressure all around. We'll check all the fluids from the engine oil to the coolant to the brake fluid, the power steering fluid. Speedo, I'll make sure the speedometer works, tachometer works, temp gauge, oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge, all will be functioning before delivery of the vehicle. So keep all that in mind. Okay, now one last thing, let's fire it up, let's hear it. So it being fuel injected, which is the MSD, just turn the ignition on and casually just, you don't have to pump the gas or anything. Okay, is inoperable. The car sounds amazing. Car is officially Alabama. We got it here at MGM Classic Cars now, ready for sale. Clean and clear title. I can't wait to take the T-tops off. Underneath, this thing is unbelievable. Super clean. Door lips, door jambs, excellent on the car. Let's go for a little ride. All right. You got reverse nice and easy to your left and up. Trunk on the car is very solid. You can check out the photos. I got a little remote for the radio as well, and the wheel lock device is here as well. Horse on this one, man, and it drives straight going down the road, and it stops on a dime. Downshift's excellent as well. Yeah, Magnaflow sounds really, really nice. Going through the gears is not a problem, but it's like butter. Clutch feels great too. Man, this is the first Z28 this year, 1980. That, I mean, in my entire life, I haven't seen one nicer than this. And I go through 500 cars a year, and I've been doing this for 20 years. This is the nicest one I've ever had. All right, we're gonna head back to the shop. I'm gonna put the car up on the lift, and I want you guys to check out the underneath of this vehicle as well. Over 100 classic cars available here at MGM. Give me 1 second, I'll get the lift cleared. Okay, so they're making room for me. And we'll get this on the rack. Let's check out underneath it. As promised here, we'll check out underneath this thing. As you can see, the Moser rear end. You got your traction bars with the multi-leafs, all polyurethane bushings. Floor pans appear to be very solid. Magnaflow X-pipe dual exhaust setup. Look at those bushings, they're brand new underneath there. There's your bulletproof bell housing, headers, your springs. As you can see, the spindles are new there. When the car is gone, sway bar, a nice full restoration. And what's nice is they tied in the frame, as this is a subframe here, and they tied in the frame all the way through. So now it's like a full frame car with traction bars. And that's why this Z28 is gonna drive better than any other Z28 that doesn't have it. There's a little leak here, but we'll take care of that. But anyway, that's everything there, guys, that you can see underneath. Whew, love it. Well, there you have it, folks. 1981 Z28, nice built aluminum headed 350, 4-speed T-tops, fully restored 4-wheel power disc brakes, MSD fuel injection system along with the ignition. Big Moser on the rear end. You're not gonna find anything nicer, guys. I definitely wanted to show you underneath and the drivability of this Camaro and everything that I went over with you guys. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous Z28, now available for purchase at MGMClassicCars.com. We're located in Addison, Illinois. If you're looking for financing on this beautiful Z28, listen carefully. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, rates are about 5 to 7% for qualified buyers. No prepayment penalty, up to an 84-month, possibly a 144-month term. If that fits your criteria, go to MGMClassicCars.com and fill out the credit application. For those of you 740 credit score or higher, rates start at 2.5%. They go up to 4.5%, right in between there. Unsecured loan, 100% financing, no prepayment penalty. Excellent unsecured loan for a classic vintage muscle car. If you're 740 or higher, just go directly to lightstream.com and fill out the application. You'll get a pretty quick response from both lenders that I'm speaking with. Take advantage of our driveway delivery. All I need is your zip code and I'll send you a quote, and you can text that over to me or give us a call. Text messages are going to be a quicker response, so if you don't do text message, leave a message on my phone if I don't answer. Now, get a pen, I'll give you that phone number, and I'll repeat it twice. It's area code 847-848-1850. There you go, guys, gals. You got all the information. Listen, one more thing. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Well, how do you do that? Click the red subscribe button on the bottom right of your screen. And if you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. Look at the, what a great tangible asset. I just can't stop talking, and I'm going to. But a great tangible asset. You can own it, drive it, touch it, feel it, wax it, and then sell it and make a little money, okay? Better than the stock market. Call me, 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Once again, 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, MGMClassicCars.com.